Hello, everyone. In the next few segments, I will talk about digitalization in the construction industry. In the first segment, I will discuss what options we have to measure our rooms, the objects in the room, or even the entire building. Let's see. The first is the traditional method using a measuring tape. The second method is more modern, using a laser distance meter. And the third is a truly 21st century method using glasses that apply mixed reality, which is called mixed reality or XR glasses in English. So let's look at a simple example. First, we use a measuring tape to see how long it takes to measure a simple object like this table. Start the clock. The length is 2.6 meters. The width is approximately 93 millimeter, and of course all of this needs to be written down, and the height is 75 meters. Our next measuring tool is a laser distance meter, and I will need a little help here. Let's look at the laser method, where someone needs to hold a piece of paper to measure against, or we can place something there. And then the table is 2.6 meters long, and the width is 93 centimeters. Approximately 93 centimeters. And the height is 75 centimeters. It's not important to write it down because we can save it in its memory. And now let's see how this works with VR glasses. It starts up. The length is measured. Here is the width and the height of the dimensions and measurements of the object, which are... I'll take a photo of this in VR here, and here are the results. The winner was the mixed reality headset measurement. Naturally, the larger a survey, the greater the difference between the methods. Additionally, the XR method is credited for having the most spectacular and clear documentation of the survey, which can later be translated from the model into tabular form. In industrial scales, 3D laser scanning or LiDAR technology is also used. Previously, a technician would set up the scanner at various locations, creating a digital point cloud that could be measured on a computer. Nowadays, it is possible for a robotic dog to roam the building and scan every hidden corner. Returning to the XR glasses, I can easily measure the height of this opening. Here you can see that it is 2.13 meters high. But if I want, I just need to look around, and the glasses will scan the space around me. And if I want a new piece of furniture in the apartment, I can precisely see how it will fit. Here is this table, for example. I can push it against the wall. The business is underneath it. Now it's hidden. And I can see that this table fits here. But if I want to modify its dimensions, I can easily do so. You can choose from many different objects. But you can even lay out the plans of an entire block of houses here on the table. If you want, you can zoom in. And here, using the tools we have in hand, we can measure that from here to there, this house is 23 meters. But if you want, you can jump over there as well. You can look around. You can view this house from here and from there. But I will talk about this in more detail in a separate video. We have a multitude of tools at our disposal to design buildings in the virtual space. If you like this video and are interested in other forward-looking solutions, then check out my other videos as well. To make sure you don't miss out, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.